everyone. Today I'll be making coleslaw pasta salad. Sounds interesting, doesn't it? What all goes into the coleslaw pasta salad? 16 ounces of ditilini or salad pasta, 1.5 cups of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 3 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 1 tablespoon celery seed, and 16-ounce coleslaw mix. So let's begin. First, you want to cook the ditilini pasta as per package directions. So we'll bring up a pot of water to boil. So the water is boiling, dump in the whole box of the ditilini and cook this for 10 to 11 minutes, depending on your desired tenderness. So the pasta is done. We'll drain it and then rinse it with cold water and set it aside. So take a large bowl, put in the 1.5 cups of mayonnaise, the 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, the 1/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of the onion powder, and 1 tablespoon of celery seed. And mix that until thoroughly combined. Then put your cooled pasta in the sauce and stir that in until thoroughly combined. I think just this in itself would make a good salad. I'm not quite sure how adding coleslaw will be, but I usually try just about anything. Dave does not like cabbage cooked, but he does like coleslaw, so he's not a big fan of pasta. So who knows? This will be another I wonder what Dave will say. Then take your 16 ounces of the coleslaw mix and put it in the bowl. Just barely got a big enough bowl, it looks like. And then toss to coat. Do you like my salad tongs? But I think they're pretty cool. I got about 5 pairs of them. All right, so that looks pretty good. You can serve it immediately, or you can set it in the refrigerator until ready to serve. When Dave gets home tonight, we'll have him do a taste test. So here is the coleslaw pasta salad, and rounding out the meal is a grilled hot dog. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Which one of these am I?
The coleslaw pasta salad.
I'm a big pasta fan.
Well, that's why I mixed it with coleslaw.
That's pretty good. So for those of you that don't know, I'm not a real big pasta fan, but this is pretty good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.